One of the most loved iOS 18 features is the redesigned Control Center. Unlike before, the Control Center is fully customizable and allows you to not only select from a wide range of icons but also adjust the icon sizes. What's more, there is also a way to add a separate Bluetooth toggle to the Control Center. So if you need a handy toggle that can let you quickly enable or disable Bluetooth on your iPhone from the Control Center, follow along to learn how to add a separate Bluetooth toggle to the Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the Control Center. And then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the Add Control Plus button at the bottom. Then you have to find the Bluetooth toggle and select it. And then you can use the handle to perfectly adjust the size of the Bluetooth toggle. And finally, you have to tap on the empty area to finish and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily add a separate Bluetooth toggle to the Control Center in iOS 18 or later. Now that you have added the Bluetooth toggle, you can use it to easily enable or disable it with ease right from the Control Center. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.